Hey guys, thanks for watching this past week's vlog. Hey, we finally made it. We signed on the dotted line for our new building on Friday. Woo! The Dread House. I know, we finally made it. We're doing some videos because this week I have a conference later this week, so we gotta get everything out of the way so we can get it all done and get you all this good content by next week, So, hey guys, thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show us some love. We will see you on the next one. I hope you like this vlog. Peace. Today we got our vision building day, which is our second time with Jonathan from EOS, who is our implementer, and he is helping us fully implement the EOS system into everything we do, so we can create like a successful, strong foundation for our team and for our franchisees. As we bring on franchise partners, we want to make sure that we can help them build a strong foundation too. So we're learning this ourselves so we can then share this with them and just create a strong organization as a whole. But today's our vision building today, so I will take you behind the scenes and show you what we're doing and what we're learning. Hopefully this will help you guys too. So yesterday we had our EOS meeting, and some of the things that we discussed in this meeting is one, we made sure that we had our accountability chart figured out. So what does this mean? This means that we have the right people in the right seats on the bus, which is making sure that we've identified what are our roles and then what are those roles accountable for? Who are they accountable to? What are they accountable for? So we finished that finally. We reviewed all of our rocks. For those that may not know, if you're in EOS, a rock is basically a bigger project that you can't just complete in a week. It might take a period of time. And so these are quarterly rocks, quarterly projects, goals that we're trying to achieve as a company, broken down into, weekly objectives. So we reviewed, are we on track for those things? And what is it gonna take to get back on track? We also went over our core values and made sure that the core values that we have in place are the ones that we're gonna use into the future, that they make sense with what our 3, 5, and 10-year vision is. So we went all over all of that, and I'm excited because honestly, this is one of those things that it really is getting everyone on our team in alignment, and it's helping us as a whole achieve the objective of the entire company. Obviously, with each of us fulfilling and doing our own individual part, but keeping us on track to actually hit the target, in 3, 5, and 10 years. So I'm excited. But if you haven't already, make sure you look into the book Traction by Gino Wickman. And if you are interested in implementing, hire an EOS implementer and just let them do it for you. Let them show you what you gotta do and how it works. Totally worth it. And it's been a game changer for us. And we're just getting started. What's up, guys? So today we are headed to the Vault Conference in Fort Lauderdale. For those who may not know, I'm a huge fan of Patrick Bet-David. So Patrick Bet-David, if you haven't heard of him, make sure you follow him. He started a company called PHP Agency and then this entertainment company called Valuetainment. It is by far, it has been one of the greatest resources that I have ever utilized to learn about business, learn how to scale a business, learn how to manage teams. Out of all the mentors and all the people out there, he's the most technical or the most in-depth that I've found. I've been to a lot of conferences. A lot of them sometimes are pitch fests. A lot of them don't get deep enough to really provide a level of information and insight that you need to grow and scale your business. So what I love about his is it is deep and it is thorough, and he shares the nitty-gritty of business, and so it's so helpful to go to a conference like this. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes for this great conference and tell you what it's all about, and hopefully get some good takeaways that we'll share with you guys. So I will see you guys in a few. Hey guys, so we just got done with the Vault Conference 2022. It was a fantastic event. And one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is like, what did I learn from this event? Because we went through this massive booklet. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, it's massive, right? And Patrick Bet-David spent literally 2.5 days, and I'm pretty sure he spoke 80% of the time. And so the content, the material, it was so in depth. It was so helpful. And I really had so many takeaways, but there were 3 things that really stood out more than even anything that was listed in this book. And those 3 things, number one, my number one takeaway is setting clear expectations as a leader. And I know that sounds simple, but watching him do that, like as part of like hosting this event, it just made you realize like what that truly means when you are a real leader and you're setting very clear expectations, and then you're holding your team to a higher standard and seeing like everyone in his operation uphold that standard, and like seeing him clearly set the expectations for what you should get out of this conference, why you're here, the types of people that, you know, should be here, and the types of people that like probably are not going to enjoy a conference like this. Like if you got up a lot, or you had to take phone calls, or you didn't do the homework at night, like this probably wasn't the conference for you. But if you were really interested in becoming a better version of yourself and developing yourself, this was the conference for you. And then number 3, that just literally to me was like a game changer, is the power of storytelling. Watching him tell stories, watching him bring other speakers come up on stage and use storytelling as a way to educate the audience, it was so powerful. It made me realize how much more we should use storytelling and role playing in our own business to create illustrations of how things should be done in a business. Of course, we got a lot of good stuff from here. I got a lot of to-dos, a lot of takeaways, but that was my 3 big takeaways. And I hope I see you guys at the next one in 2023. Yeah, so we're headed in the office here, and we are gonna go wish Miss Alyssa a happy birthday, because today's her birthday. And we like to celebrate all of our team's members' birthdays. Sometimes we can do it in person. So we got balloons, we got all sorts of good stuff. And happy birthday, Alyssa. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alyssa. Happy birthday to you. Woo! What's up, guys? All right, so we are about to meet with our demolition crew, because starting next Tuesday, and from Tuesday to Friday, we're knocking out all of this right here. All of this is going bye-bye. Finally, no more walls, no more ceiling. Then we're gonna have one big open space that's gonna go all the way from that wall all the way to this wall. 2 buildings over that way. This won't be here. No more walkways. We're combining it all into one big 12,000 square foot space. Oh my God, I've been waiting for this day forever. For like 6 months. Finally, the day has come. I can't wait to show you guys behind the scenes as we go on this once in a lifetime journey of building the single greatest adult day center concept that has ever existed. So join me.